Isaac Newton is remembered as one of the greatest geniuses in human history. The man who discovered gravity. The father of modern physics. But the real story of Newton is far darker, and far more fascinating. He lived in isolation. He trusted almost no one. And he believed the universe was a machine built by God, waiting to be decoded. Newton didn't just explain how the world works. He created the rules that still control our reality today. This is the story of the man who invented the future. And the heavy price he paid for his genius. Isaac Newton was born in 1643 in England. He was born prematurely, so small that few believed he would survive. His father died before he was born. His mother left him behind to remarry. Newton grew up alone, quiet, withdrawn, and deeply insecure. As a child, he showed little promise. No one predicted greatness. But inside his mind, something was forming. Newton didn't play with other children. He built machines. He studied patterns. He observed the world with unnatural intensity. Loneliness became his companion. And curiosity became his obsession. In 1665, a deadly plague swept through England. Universities were shut down. Newton returned home, isolated, cut off from the world. What followed is known as the greatest creative period in human history. In complete isolation, Newton discovered calculus. He explained the laws of motion. And he unlocked the secret of gravity. The famous apple story is symbolic. But the idea was real. Newton realized that the same force pulling an apple to the ground also controls the motion of the moon and the planets. For the first time, the universe followed mathematical laws. Reality could be calculated. Newton published Principia Mathematica, a book so complex that few could understand it. Inside were the 3 laws of motion. These laws would later make possible modern engineering, airplanes, rockets, satellites, space travel. For more than 200 years, Newton's laws defined reality. He didn't just describe motion. He gave humanity control over it. But Newton himself was far from stable. Newton was deeply paranoid. He believed others were stealing his ideas. He cut people out of his life. He lived in near total isolation. He studied alchemy in secret. He searched for hidden codes in the Bible. He believed truth was dangerous in the wrong hands. Newton's mind was powerful, but fragile. Genius gave him insight. But it also cost him peace. Isaac Newton died in 1727. But the world he created still surrounds us. Every building, every machine, every rocket launched into space, all follow Newton's laws. Even Einstein stood on Newton's shoulders. Newton once said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." But history now knows the truth. Newton was the giant. He didn't just discover gravity. He invented the future.